Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Medusa'S makeup beauty box for September of 2020. Now, I want to start off by saying that Medusa'S makeup did send this to me for free for review, but I'm actually really excited. I do already own a product from Medusa'S makeup. It's this liquid eyeshadow in the shade Grace, which I'm so pumped to use for my Halloween looks that I plan on doing. It's a beautiful, beautiful liquid eyeshadow, which I love liquid eyeshadows so much. So I'm so pumped to see what's actually going to be in this box. Now, what exactly is this box? I'm gonna tell you all the details. So this box is $18.95 a month, and it is for the USA. It says, our monthly subscription box is artfully curated by the Medusa'S makeup team. Each month you will receive a delivery of 4 full-size vegan products to try for only $18.95 a month. Your box will ship within 3 business days of your payment. 100% cruelty-free and vegan, renews automatically, cancel anytime, non-refundable. And according to the 574 reviews that this has, 81% gives it a 5-star, which is 466. 9% gives it a 4-star, which is 52, and then the rest is basically no one else. So basically 90% of people absolutely love this box, and I can't wait to see what is in here. Now, it's not like any other subscription box like BOXYCHARM and IPSY. This is going to be a kind of like a mystery box, but monthly subscription for Medusa'S makeup. So you will be receiving Medusa'S makeup products in here. But I know that this is actually a really popular box for channels that are vegan and cruelty-free always. So if that's the kind of beauty products you're into, and if you do want a vegan and cruelty-free box, this is the subscription box for you. And they also said if you want to get 15% off of your very first box, you can use the code GIVEME15. I will have that down below as well on the screen, so you can get your first box 15% off, which is fantastic to stick your toes in the water and try this out, try out Medusa'S makeup. Now, I'm very excited to get into this, so if you guys enjoy these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get into the video. I feel like that intro was longer than normal, but you know, we're introducing a new box on this channel, so here is Mr. Smith & Wesson. Let's unveil this box, shall we? Plus, the box is actually like super cute too. I'm not sure if like the box changes every month, but I like this one. Here we go. Here is the contents. Also, if I'm yelling, I'm so sorry. My ear, the allergies, okay? I can't hear out of this ear. So if I'm yelling, because I noticed in my last video I was kind of yelling, so I apologize. So on top we have a little card. It says, September 2020 cruelty-free and vegan beauty box. You're beautiful, And I'm not sure if this is going to be the products in the box. I think that's what it is. And if so, this is actually really great. Okay. And then we have, what is this? Oh, this is from a different company. Okay. Great. Okay. Excited! Okay, so this is what's coming in the box. So basically my overall value for $18.95, I'm just gonna say it right now, I think it's gonna be worth it. This is actually a really cute box, so yay. Okay, this is a good box. It's worth the money for sure. Okay. So on top, oh, it feels, okay. This is the Cry Baby When Your Hair Mask. Says repairing, but you're still broken on the inside. Is this a collab? Or wait, is Main Club a part of them? I think they probably like partner up together. So this one is not necessarily a Medusa'S makeup, but yeah. So this is a repairing hair mask, which is fantastic. I'm actually excited to try this. I probably will try this tonight. I'm not even kidding. This is the first item, and I think the packaging is really, really cute. Next up, we're gonna get into the makeup, and they have it in bubble wrap, which is super nice. Let me just get it all out really quick, and then we can actually show you what we got. Real quick, I'm gonna show you. This is from Public Goods. It's a lip balm, and this is a little free sample, which I'm excited for because my lips are really, really cracked right now. I don't think it has a scent. I'm trying to smell it with my one nostril that I can actually breathe out of right now. It's gluten-free. cruelty-free and made in the USA. It's got coconut oil, shea butter, Candelia wax, certified organic, and it's from publicgoods.com. So we have a little free sample of lip balm. Love that it comes with a little free sample. Love that. Oh, I didn't even tell you. This hair mask retails for $4.99. It repairs, reduces breakage, and deeply conditions. Okay, on to the next. Okay, next we have from Medusa'S makeup. This is the Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss. Very exciting. What shade did I get? I got it in the shade Last Dance. That's the shade. It says Disco Queen Lip Gloss is our 3-dimensional mega glossy formula with an extreme shade shifting sparkle finish. I'm like the worst at reading today. This hydrating, thick, and full coverage gloss comes with an easy to use soft brush applicator, and this retails for $11.95. So here is the actual component. Let me see if my camera will actually zoom so you can see a little bit. Okay, I want to give it a smell test. Oh, it smells so good. That smells really good. Okay, this is actually a really pretty little sparkly nude shade. Very, very pretty. Actually, I'm gonna put it on. Let's put it on right now. A little bit more. I hope I'm putting this on okay. Okay, first impressions really quick. It's not sticky. It's absolutely not sticky. And you can almost taste the flavor in your mouth, which like isn't terrible. It's actually like a good flavor. Are we like supposed to like eat this? Cause I mean, I don't mind the taste in my mouth. Okay, I think this is really cute. I love that. Okay, and that retails for $11.95. Next up, we have a single eyeshadow. Here's the packaging. Super cute. And we have it in the shade Bahamas. This retails for $12. It says Medusa'S Tropical Eyeshadow Bahamas, a range of shadows featuring highly pigmented, long-lasting color and a matte finish. So we have it in the shade Black, I think is like what the color is, even though it's the shade Bahamas, but it's a black one. Here's the back packaging and the front packaging and the black shadow. Now don't get scared if you do decide to get this box for having a black eyeshadow. Black eyeshadow is kind of like a necessity to have pretty much in all eyeshadow palettes, that we all always want to have a light shade and a black in a palette. So it's good to have this on the side if you do need a black. A lot of the times I actually use black eyeshadow on an angled brush as my eyeliner versus actually using an eyeliner. I just prefer it most of the time. That's what I actually have today. You can't really tell because I do it really tight to my lash line, but I am actually wearing a really dark eyeshadow as my eyeliner today. So this is definitely what I would use this for, because a lot of the times if I want a black eyeliner that's an eyeshadow, I would go into a different palette. So this one I can literally use and have in my top drawer with my eyeliners, and I would just literally use this as an eyeliner. And it definitely looks really pigmented. Okay, hold on. Let's do this real time. Bam! Oh, wow. Okay. It's actually not powdery or chalky. Like, okay, well, it looks like it, but that's because I got some lip gloss there on the side with it. But it actually is a really pretty color. Like, it's not too black, but it's like, you know, it looks like it'll smoke out really well. That is exciting. Love that. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in my top drawer because that's gonna be my new eyeshadow eyeliner. And then lastly, this is a lipstick in Red Square, and this retails for $14. It says Medusa'S Vegan Lipstick Red Square. This bright and beautiful lipstick is a luxurious blend of natural vegan waxes, color-rich pigment, creamy, soft, and nourishing, can be applied to lips and even cheeks. Love that. This is the perfect time of year where it's time to start really busting out those red lips, which I did just buy a MAC lipstick, and I don't know what I did with it. That's red because I wanted like a really nice red lipstick. Oh, this looks like a blue-based red. Oh, that's good. Okay, this is the color. And it definitely looks like it's a blue-based red, which is like the best red shade that you could ever imagine. And this is like a shiny looking little lipstick. Like, it's perfectly pressed in here. Like, I don't even see any bubbles. You get that crisp line on the side. And plus the packaging's really cute. But like, I was just noticing like how perfect the lipstick looked in the tube. Okay. Oh, love this color. I wouldn't say it's like red. It's kind of got like a pinky red to it. Okay, well, it looks more pink on camera. I promise it's not like that pink, but it looks beautiful. Beautiful. I forgot to smell it. What does it smell like? I don't think it has a scent. I can't really smell anything, but that's the 3 makeup products in here, plus a hair mask. So let's see what bit of value we got out of here. This is actually a really fun box. I really like this box. Okay, so for $18.95, you got $42. Oh, it says the box value. I didn't even have to like use my calculator. So the box value was $42.94 and we paid $18.95, which I think it's really, really great. So you get this box. It's kind of like a mystery box every month of Medusa's makeup plus, you know, this main club. So I guess it's maybe not all Medusa's all the time, but it's basically Medusa's makeup. So I think this is actually really great. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you think this box is cute and worth it? It's definitely different than anything else that we unbox because we always like do the unboxings where it's like tons of different brands and not just one curated box. But I do actually really enjoy this box. Like, this is actually a really great box. Like, I really like it. You got 2 lip products, an eyeshadow, a hair mask, and then a free sample lip balm. Like, hello, we got all makeup items here. Like, that's great. Okay, and plus these are really, really pretty. So I'm into this. I would have to say I would buy this box 110% if you guys are into it. Like, I haven't seen any unboxings for this, I don't think. I know I've seen Porcelain like do unboxings for this, but I haven't personally watched one. So I know it's a popular box. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I'm definitely gonna look at past unboxings and just, you know, see, and I might actually start getting this. I'm not sure, but this was actually a really, really good box. Let me know your opinions down below. Sorry this was so long, but I've never unboxed something like this before, so I really wanted to, like, you know, take my time with it. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, then please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!